morning, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's Monday. Mike is at work today, so it's just me and Winnie today. She's still laying in the bed. I have to zoom in. Hold on. Like, this lens is like a wider angle lens, but can you just like see her like living her best life right now? So cute. Let's two zoom then. So it's Monday, Mike's at work. I don't have a car right now, obviously, because mine is still at home. But that's fine, because today I have a lot of stuff to do around the apartment. It is very messy. It needs to be cleaned. We need to wash the sheets. Once Winnie decides that, you know, she's had enough sleep, I'm gonna throw the bedding into the wash. So that's pretty much what I'm doing today. This is pretty much gonna be like a cleaning vlog, and I also have to unpack all of my stuff. I bought like a plastic bin yesterday, so I brought like 90% of my clothes down. I have a few things because obviously I'm still finishing up some stuff down there, so I need like a few things to wear, and I'll probably fly back with like one or two things. But I brought like majority of my jeans, majority of like my workout clothes. Well, I brought like most of my like workout shorts. So I just had to put like all of that stuff away. So we made our iced coffee. I feel like I haven't done that intro in so long. I mean, again, I really haven't been vlogging or doing anything for a while, but I used the Bomar protein powder in hazelnut coffee today. Super delicious. They are doing a pretty big Black Friday sale, so I think I'll get this vlog up before Black Friday. I know the one I filmed yesterday is gonna probably go up today or tomorrow, and then whatever else I film this week, I'm probably just gonna schedule it so there is some content to watch, because I don't want to do like a full week of like all of these videos and then like nothing, and then when I come back down. So that's what we're doing today. Gonna drink my coffee, and I'm actually gonna just start straightening up the kitchen. Let me actually get Winnie, because I need to throw that bedding into the wash. So let's go get her. Excuse me, miss. Excuse you? I know you're super comfy, Winnie, but I need to wash the bedding. And you need to eat your breakfast, so then you can go outside. Oh, look at you. You're so beautiful. Yes. Winnie, everybody's missed you. They're like, where's Winnie? And I'm like, she's right here. Come on. Come on. Parkour. Far away, I'm still kind of like learning really the better angles and distances of vlogging, because I felt like before it was too far away, and I don't know, so help me out in the comments below. But back to your regular scheduled cleaning video of me. So tell me how I'm like cleaning, and I'm like, I'm pretty cold. Let me see what the temperature is like in here. My husband has it on the air conditioning right now, which, listen, I like it cold and we like to sleep cold, but he has it 65 degrees and it is 38 degrees outside. So I'm gonna have to turn that off. But getting, you know, making progress with our cleaning. Very exciting. Winnie's about to be pissed off at me because I have to take her blanket away so I can put it in the wash. Let's continue. So bathroom is clean, very exciting. I do just need to like vacuum and mop in here, which I'll probably do like a little bit later because I think I want to shower first. No, I'll probably do it in a few minutes, honestly. So yes, this is done. I need to sneeze. Oh my gosh. My phone's in there. That's okay. And kitchen is done. Boom. Living room basically done. Just waiting. I have to do like the blankets and everything. Winnie, meatloaf. My baby, you little meatloaf. Aww. So what time is it now? It's 10 o'clock now. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to check on the sheets because I want to put those on the bed. And then I'm gonna probably take like a little break, a little apple snack break, little apple time, little apple time break. And after that, I wanna like, well, while I'm doing that, I think I'm gonna edit. Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me. Sheets are done. So I think I'm going to take a little break and then later on, I'm going to put all my clothes away and everything after like a little snack because I'm a little hungry. Been, you know, cleaning, doing my thing. So we're gonna do that. Sorry, this was long-winded, but see y'all. Okay, we're gonna make a little apple time snack. Little cutting board. Use like a very big knife to cut an apple, but I don't really have that option at the moment. So we're gonna have to just make do with what we have. Cut this little butt off. Fuck. I just remembered we have 2 apple slicers. What the fuck? All right, so I'm gonna eat my apple snack. I'm gonna watch a little TV while I edit my video that I did yesterday. And then we have to tackle, the putting away of the clothes. And then I'm gonna wash my hair because I wanna wash it on Thanksgiving, but I wanna wash it in between. So we're gonna wash it today. Not that you care. So currently I have a video exporting and we are going to unpack clothes and hang them up and organize them. It has been so productive today. I cleaned everything. I edited my video, which I'm exporting right now. And then I'm going to put my clothes away. And then I'm going to take a shower and wash my hair. Productive. See, this is like 98% of my clothes right here. I brought so much, which is a good thing. Less stuff I need to bring my last hurrah around. I'm definitely going to need another plastic bin, I can tell you that much. I just don't want to buy a dresser right now because I know once we get that house, like, we're going to have like a closet done with like drawers and everything, and I don't want to spend the money on a dresser when these are like $12. And I know we're going to do something, you know? So basically I just like dumped everything on my bed. This is how I am productive. I'll throw it all on my bed and then I have to put it away. So that's what we're going to do right now. Is just get this done. I think I'm going to need more hangers. I plan on folding the jeans and putting them up top, like, and then like I have 2 nice pairs of pants I'll hang, and then everything else is pretty much going to get hung up. I hope it's not like that episode of Jersey Shore when like JWoww puts like all of her stuff at the top and then like it all falls and like Sammy's stuff gets ruined. So I did pretty damn good. There is a few things I'm just gonna need to get like extra hangers for, but let me just kind of like show you. So I have all of my jeans up there, and then like pretty much like all of my clothes hanging up, and then I have active wear in those bins, and then like obviously like underwear and like bras and whatever. I am gonna need another bin like that because I still have like a decent amount of active wear where like in New Jersey, or I am gonna need another bin because I do have more active wear. I guess I can say like at home. I don't know really where my home is right now. So I'm gonna need another one of those, probably a few more hangers. I probably honestly even want to get like another bin just to put some of those jeans in. Myself something to eat for lunch. It's like 1:30 right now. So I'm just gonna make something to eat real quick. I actually just got a text from somebody, a former bride and client, asking if I still do makeup, and I'm like, I'm moving. I have my little like salad kit. These are great. I bring these to work and it's very convenient because all the other like extra stuff is in like a little side pouch, so you can just like everything be separate. And then I always use, and then I always have like a packet of like tuna with it too, so it's like filling. I hate being short. Okay, so this, what's the date on this? November 28th. I don't think this is good. Slimy. that's sad. Mike is actually on his way home from work. I'm like, thank God. I started getting bored. I just changed real quick because we're just gonna go to the mall. It was a long vlog. We were very productive. We cleaned, we put away all of our clothes. We looked at Winnie because she's so gorgeous. She actually wants to go out, so I'm ending this now and I will see you all in the next one. Definitely subscribe if you're enjoying this content. Once I get in the groove of things, it'll probably be a little bit better, but yeah, so subscribe.